Welcome back. This episode, we're just going to tidy up. Well, that's the idea, to tidy up. I've got a splitting headache. I've taken some medication, but my head hurts, and should have got down here an hour ago and I didn't. So I don't know how well we do. Maybe it's a thought of doing tidying up, but we just need to try and clear space, get ready. So hopefully for this week coming up, fresh, we've got a bit more space down here. If I can clean the bench, even better. So let's get on. Oh, my head. Wow, I made so much difference. Look, found a bit of a bench. At least my headache's going a bit. I remember when I put a door skin on here once. I had so much room. Anyway, I tidy it up and it gives us loads of room just to help mix the paints later on. I know it's a bit dirty, we'll give it a bit of a clean off. A bit of time, I'll show you some of the bits I've bought that have arrived. Just so much crap. You can see why other people pay people to keep the place clean, because I'm not responsible enough at all to do it myself. I made a shelf. I didn't make a shelf. Picked it up off Facebook a while ago for something else, and then there, I put it all up by myself. I didn't use any measurements, any spirit levels. Amazing. Oh, nearly there. Nearly there. I'll have to fill the fridge up for the week. I haven't just taken everything off here and put it on the shelves, honestly. Throwing some stuff away. You just don't know when you need the stuff, do you? The tins of nuts and bolts that you then spend 2 hours looking through, just trying to find that one bolt. Anyway, see if we can tidy this end up. If I was really bothered, I think it's a stainless steel top. I could go across with a mop or something, you know, the old flappy pad or something, but it'll do for now. A little bit worried, actually. I don't know if I've got enough paint. I think I must have ordered, what is this? This is 2 litre, is it? 2 litres, does it say on it? I don't know. 2.5 litres, isn't it? I've used some obviously for the Raptor and the inside. Half a tin left, so we've got 1.5 litres. Whoops. I'm thinking I might need some more. That could do the insides of stuff. Last thing you want to do is run out, isn't it? You know, if you can put another coat on, another couple of thicker you can get the paint once you get it on there, the more you can do with it afterwards, especially if you're not a professional. So yeah, what do people think? 1.5 litres plus hardener. Bit of thinners. Yeah. Anyway, we've got a cleanish bench, even though I've put some stuff back on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but this is the silly jig. Maybe you move your back out. I don't know, you might not even be able to see it still. The jig I used to hold the Mark 1 doors with when I was painting them. There you go. Just doors have gone. Anyway, they seemed to do alright when I was doing them. Although my dad had them laid flat when he did his, because as I said, he painted the insides and then did the outsides last. So I may still do that, but depending on space. Anyway, knew I shouldn't have thrown it away. Came in useful. Alright, let's show you what stuff I've got and then call it a day. Okay, just some bits I got off Amazon, eBay. 500 grit, ready for the flattening down after we've done all the filler primer. Cheap Imperial tap and die set. Yeah. Don't buy cheap, buy twice. Yeah, I bought about 3 of these in the last 20 years. It's not so much I'll wear them out, I lose a bit. So even with an expensive set, I'll still lose the stuff. Some epoxy primer, some satin black for the top, for the guide coats, just for smacking that on. I just bought myself another cheap gun, I don't know why, because I keep putting myself off buying an expensive one, but this is just going to be used for the primer. Comes with slightly bigger nozzles, which from what I read on YouTube is what you need. You need a slightly bigger nozzle because it's a bit thicker, the filler primer. So yeah, we'll get that done. So hopefully this week we might get some filler primer on. We shall see though. I'm off to watch the Grand Prix and see who comes third, and maybe steak and chips, steak and potatoes for tea tonight. Alright, still more tidying up to do, but at least we have a shelf.